All right, man. So did I put my foot in my mouth or something? I don't know. So this is Shiba Inu, also known as the Dogecoin killer. Look, I made a lot of fun of this cryptocurrency, and it seems to be showing improving, but it still has not too many impressive usage cases for me. But look, why Shiba Inu skyrocketed to a new all-time high. This article is pretty decent, man. You guys can check it out. But what I want to show you guys today is the price, which I just showed you is up 10.12%. All right, should you invest? Well, it's going so crazy that the site is crashing. I believe that's what's going on right now. Where to invest? I always get that information from the homepage, but since it's not available, a reputable exchange can let you know as well. So I would only be safe by going to a reputable exchange like Coinbase, CoinMarketCap, one of those, Binance, all right? Or going to the homepage and getting instructions when this one actually comes back. I don't know what's going on. But this article, it says, look, Shiba Inu soared more than 60% to a record high above, or whatever that is, on Wednesday, further a staggering rally in the popular cryptocurrency's price in recent days. Before I move on, I want to let you know that we have an alternative to Shiba Inu that can make you money the exact same day, returns the exact same day, and it's crazy, okay? So keep watching for that. So what? Shiba Inu is now the 11th most valuable cryptocurrency, which is crazy to me because I thought it was a dud when it first came out. Look, I'm telling you, I don't like the meme coins. I'm a usage case dude, okay? But I've been wrong before, amp. Not gonna point no amp fingers. All right, with a total market value of more than 28 billion, according to CoinMarketCap, supporters of the so-called meme coin believe it's a worthy rival to Dogecoin. Hey, maybe so. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments what you think, right? Okay, so now they have 10 stocks we like better than Shiba Inu, but what I want to show you guys is something called drop servicing, okay? So in order to make it make sense for you, drop servicing is service arbitrage. It's where you sell someone else's service, all right? You get paid, but they go out and do the service. For instance, we're on this site right here called Boat Setter. Boat Setter themselves do not own any boats, but if a person comes here and rents one of these yachts or boats, Boat Setter will get a cut of that. So think about it. If they're in every freaking city, like I'm going to show you in the description of this video, it has a free trial where you can go to sign up and you will get the Godfather of Drop Servicing course completely free as a bonus for signing up for the free trial once it goes live, all right? But guess what? Once somebody books one of these rentals for these yachts or boats or whatever, you're gonna get a cut of that. And this can happen the same day that you sign up. So how are we gonna get traffic to that? How do you get sales of that? You say, David, this can be a better investment. The return can come back super fast. Well, guess what? Boat Rentals Orlando. Boom, this is exactly what they're doing, okay, with their site. You have your site built out, right? We're gonna show you how to do all of this, right? And once you put your site right here, which can be pretty much almost instantaneously, when somebody searches for boat rentals or one of these keywords up here, if they come to your site and then they click on one of these and they book for hours and hours, you're gonna get a cut of that even without owning any boats. Isn't that amazing? So even though Shiba Inu is exploding, I was wrong about that, yes, but this is an actual business, okay? This is something you can be proud of, pass down and everything, and you can make money, get a return almost instantly the same day if you do it how we teach you and everything. So go to the description of this video, sign up for the free trial and get started.